Good morning, YouTube. How is everyone?
So what gonna A76? They're gonna bounce or they're gonna go into this daily week.
Let's do this, Team Bull. What's up, Greg?
Morning, Whiskey.
Good morning.
Good, bro. How about you?
Doing good, man. Doing good.
Perfect. Okay, going down to A76. Touching A76.
What's up, YouTube? Let me get this situated here.
Weak sun right now.
No, I'm not trading during FOMC, everyone. The last ones have just been horrible. They haven't been tradable. It's been a waste of my time, to be honest. I mean, I may stream or something just to hang out with you all, watch the price action, but I don't think trading it's a good move. Good morning, good morning. See if we can't catch a trade. Just be sure you know how to manage your risk. If you don't know how to manage your own trade, your risk, you shouldn't be trading.
Okay, recording A76. Waiting, guys, waiting. Patient.
Any questions you have, just drop in the chat, YouTube. Do my best to answer them. We've probably got about 15 minutes or so before we actually catch the setup. We'll see. You know, I called a trade during my IG live this morning. The fair value gap, you see. So I took 10 MNQ for 20 points profit. So nice start. Nice start to the morning. Wild Outdoors. Send me a screenshot. DM me, Wild Outdoors. Screenshot of your Team Bull Discord. I'm going to get you right today. What's your name?
Yo, Team Ball! What is going on, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen?
Yeah.
What is it? What's up, Grizzly?
What's
up, Greg? Good morning, good morning, good morning. I gave you the speaker warning in the admin channel. How are we doing so far today? Morning. Just looking at NQ loans. You took NQ loans? Not yet.
Actually,
you're stocking them.
I can't find your name on Discord.
Yeah.
DM your info on Instagram.
Screen share is almost up. There we go. What's up? What's up? He said, well, all my roommates are awake now. What's good? What's good? What's good? How's your morning going, Grizzly?
It's good, man.
Good.
Good. Caught one trade pre-market. Waiting on another setup.
Very good. Very good, very good, very good. Let's see, trying to get everything set up here.
This candle's like it. Nope, not going that way. Wait a second. It's been a solid week trading with you all. Hopefully you all are doing as well as I am this week. On my execution, it has been on point. My discipline has been nearly perfect in my trades. It's not going to be a huge week. I've been trading 10 MNQ each trade only on my personal until I get my discipline exactly where I want it with my execution. I like pre-market trading if the setup's there. It has to be a ideal setup. Supply and demand. Or just price action, trend. You can find my Instagram at grizzlytrades.com. That's where my link is. grizzlytrades.com.
Looking right now, guys. We are touching 876 again.
All right, can you guys hear me on this? Can you hear me still?
Yeah, I'm considering entering shorts here if we close below pre-market low, everyone.
Does this sound better? Does this mic sound better?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes.
I just switched my mic out. I want to make sure you can still hear me. Got the Big Daddy mic in now. Oh shit. Big Daddy mic is in play. Smooth like butter. Grizzly churning butter.
You say you're gonna churn some butter.
You are for your birthday tomorrow.
Now, finally, it's your birthday gift.
It's Jaden's birthday too tomorrow.
Had to out me too. It actually, the funny part is we're not joking. It is quite literally both of our birthdays. We have the same birthday.
Nice.
What'd you get us for a present, Greg?
A kiss and a hug.
Oh, that's just beautiful.
No, that's a good birthday present. Let's see.
I'm gonna give you a mega trade tomorrow, okay?
Yeah, that's fair. Let's do it. I'll take a mega trade. I'll take a 100-pointer and NQ.
Alright.
Big ol' NQ trophy.
Yes.
100-point trader, it doesn't count as a present. Come on, Candle. What are we doing here? We're gonna close below.
Yeah, looking 876 as well. It's trying to.
Oh, come on, chill out, Candle. Not that much.
Get my workplace all set up. Wow, 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 wow.
Doesn't look like we're gonna get a confirmation here, everyone. That's okay. Just be patient.
Yeah, we're still about A76, so looking if it's launched or not. I got the dumpster on my desk.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. The actual dumpster.
Yup.
The
Homie got it for me as a gift. Very meaningful.
I am not in a trade, men of God. I'll be very clear with you if I am. Said
Very
no confirmation means no trade.
Right. That's right, that's right, that's right.
All right, YouTube, what's up? Welcome in. First off, I appreciate you all for being here. Sorry, I've been talking to Team Bull. I was focused on catching us a trade there, but we didn't get the confirmation I wanted. So we're gonna wait on this 15-minute range to form. We got about 4 more minutes. Then we're gonna make a decision on our next trade, which right now looks like it could possibly be to the upside, but we'll see. If I missed any questions, I do apologize. I may stream for the FOMC. I don't think I'm gonna trade it. They've been horrible.
We got 3 minutes till start looking.
This is live, yes.
Looking for our A
Your
plus
mom's
setups.
birthday. Well, happy birthday to her.
Let's see what we can find. We got the NASDAQ with, let's see, slight gap down overnight.
Any more questions? Just drop them in chat. Real quick while we're waiting on another winning trade, hopefully. Hold on, let me mute this. Can't talk. It's very important. We had 2 winning trades, right? The last 2 days. So that doesn't mean you should come in oversized. Let's just do this right. Stay same size. Manage our stop loss. Let's do this right. And let's get the likes, thumbs up to 100 real quick. Then we'll be done with that and just focus on trading the rest of live. Appreciate you all though. I'm going to unmute Team Bull now where I can hear them as well. Remember, just because they take a trade doesn't mean I do. You know exactly when I take one.
You become a trader. It's like your godfather. You try to mess with the Fed, that's how you get. You know what I mean? I used to watch the speeches. We might play the speech on live today. We'll take a vote. I always like to take a vote. Some people like when it's played.
I know one thing. The last few have been horrible to trade. Not even worth your time.
Not the same as it was early 2023, right?
Yeah.
Today's my mom's birthday. Hoping to catch a banger. All winnings today will go straight to her. Shouldn't trade that way, but I'm hoping we can catch something nice. Well,
Awesome, Martinez.
let's get Mama.
Another person with a mom's birthday today.
Keep the win streak going. Looking for 48 days.
Why they push up?
Yeah, guys, we're We missed the loans. I'm just looking now. 966 or 9966 daily level could be rejected there. 966, 971. We also have a 4-hour level just above. So
You think we'll get rate cuts, Honda? I don't know.
right there, 4-hour and daily. 971 and 966.
It's probably gonna fill that gap real quick, I would say.
71 and 966.
Always wait on candle closes for confirmation. That was a perfect example how we waited on this to close. If we'd entered early, it looked like we was gonna break to the downside. We'd have been in a losing trade. We was patient, waited on the close. Maybe it's your brother. See if we can catch a nice trade today. Any more questions, YouTube, drop them in chat. We're just waiting on a setup. Grisology will confirm for us. And I'll let you know if I do take it with the confirmation. I don't have any plans really, Honda. Just chilling. Might eat some sushi or steak, but I do that about every day. Oh no, we're here. We are here.
Just waiting. Just waiting for 966.
We gotta have a setup before we can trade.
I was fixing something on my setup, guys. That's why I was muted. I'll be back talking. Yeah, in a second.
By that he means churning butter.
Oh,
Oh wow, what a candle. Hopefully no one was long there.
it was a big one on QQQ.
What a candle.
Yeah, okay. Now we are touching 976, guys. Let's see if we can take the shorts. Waiting for this 1 minute candle to close.
There's too much risk on this candle, everyone, for me to enter anything. Even if Team Bull does, I'm not taking anything based off this 5 minute. Just a heads up. I can explain that while I'm focusing on the setup. That's something, we can discuss if you join the IG live of the morning. We can talk about it. That's where I get the game plan together. That's too much going on for me to focus. I gotta focus on trading. That's how we make money, But I will let you know if I take something and when I get out where I stop.
Three. Blue 3 accounts. I'm sorry.
The IG live starts around 8 a.m. Eastern. I was a little bit late this morning. I blame that
Here on Voice, it was a pleasure
on my
Team Bull's very own RC, known as Rob,
workout.
came out, joined the Team Bull podcast. We talked about his trading, his payouts, his journey, and it was very cool. Big shout out to Mr. Rob in chat. Living legend.
He's been making all that money. He hasn't bought the steak once. I didn't even know it.
Yeah, steaks on him today.
Yeah, for real.
No trades for me yet, guys. No trades for me. It's typically it's been taking me about an hour, 45 minutes. Give or take every day to find my first trade.
I have a feeling we're gonna have a few of these big candles chop back and forth here.
Dum. 168 hours in the water fast. Hey, someone's doing the water fast.
Happy birthday, Glennie.
Happy birthday, Glennie. Happy birthday, Glennie. Go by a street called Glen Oaks. Shout out Mr. Glennie.
Testing in kilos, guys. Testing in kilos.
Greg took the NQ loans. I'm not. I hope they print though. No trade for me in this area.
Well, what rips for you, Mr. Greg?
NQ loans, my entry was 902. Let's see. Because we bounce again on this daily level, so testing these guys, see what happens.
We're just gonna be patient. YouTube, you better not be boredom trading or just taking setups that aren't there. Focus. We've worked hard this week to keep it all winners, so don't mess up. If we do take a setup and it hits our stop loss, it'll be a valid setup, and if we stop out, it'll just be part of the trade. But we're gonna wait on the setup.
Come on, come on. Pump, pump, pump. Keep going.
Michael, that's not a good habit to create, even with a practice account. I'm telling you, it'll bleed over into your personal.
Keep going.
Creating habits can be done on any account.
Come on. More, more. Give me my first dream. Gonna be dreaming soon, guys. Okay, dream some here, guys. Stop loss at break even. Straight away.
Greg with the winner. Nice.
Stop loss at break even.
Nice job, Greg.
Thank you.
Good job, bro.
Thank you. I'm warming up for your birthday present for tomorrow. Keep going, keep going, keep going. More.
Warm it up. Warm up the mega trade for tomorrow, baby.
Yes.
What was your entry on that?
902.
Oh, nice. So solid 20 plus points so far. That's good.
Yeah. Normally my first stream is 20 points.
Good.
You know, I see a lot of traders
So you
now that
can get 96 days.
have taken part of my strategy,
Daily level of
my trims and stuff. It's good to see. People are using it.
Because we are touching
It's good to see.
GQ, so is what we get early. Let's see if we can break it. You're welcome, Madeleine.
What? DNJ? Yeah, I've seen that. Bros using the retirement account. Mother's retirement account.
Break it.
No retirement, huh? Yeah, Brandon. Team Bulls where I trade live every day.
Coming, guys, it's coming.
Hopefully you all are in there.
Almost already 30 points straight. 30 points. Okay, I'm gonna be trimming here again. One more. 40 points.
Nice job, Greg. Good call.
Thank you, bro. Reason why I took the loans, I mentioned this level before, guys, 19876. Remember, before pre-market on my charts. 2, they bounce, they grab some liquidity, bounce, and reason why I took the NQ loans.
I just want to retest to this 15-minute range. I don't care which way we go.
Thank you. Let's see, guys, 966. I'm aiming to 966. Why 966? It's a daily level there. And 971 is a 4-hour level, so it's an interesting zone for projection.
Going to be a little more cautious today pre-FOMC too.
Yeah, it could be between 20-30 points for my stop loss. Depends of the confidence of the trade.
Gotta sneeze. Whew. Ugh.
Break it. Don't break it.
Excuse me.
No. No level 2. As simple as possible. Too much information, I'm gonna go crazy.
Information overload, analysis paralysis, what we call it.
Yeah.
Give yourself analysis paralysis, bro.
I learn as simple as possible.
Thank you.
Keep going, baby. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Not gonna lie, that sneeze hurt a little bit.
Yes.
40-point trade.
Let's see if we can get the 60 points straight. Maybe for 66.
No, don't use this fair value gap. We've hit it twice, everyone. It'll invalidate. once we get above. I mean, it'll go away.
See if we can close above our 15-minute high. Right at it. Thinking about it.
And I don't like this big.
My chest is sore from the gym when I sneeze in my core a little bit.
Maybe they want to go back and retest this week.
We did close above it. Let's see. 2300.
Fair value gap there. Knock that one out.
Come on. Bounce. Okay, that's the point profit runner. And kilos close in profits, the runners. Good trade, guys. Good trade. Now let's see what happened.
I should drink more water. I drink a ton of water, Patrick. I'm not saying I couldn't, but that's all I drink. Water and coffee. Protein.
It's pre-off OMC, so obviously that is taking a toll, but we closed that 5-minute above.
And the occasional,
Breaking down a little. So if we did take longs or something.
whatever them are called, the Ollipops or whatever. I like some flavors of them.
Not usually my style, but try and take the long, even though we closed above below the level.
This candle could confirm my long entry. I'll let you all know, Team Bull. I will be trading MNQ. 10 MNQ will be my position. I try not to drink the beers.
I'm gonna go 5 MNQ on each account. I trade the fundeds. I just lowered my size to potentially 2 ads if I take it.
Oh, there's going to be quite a bit of risk on this candle.
Oh, come on.
Nope, no trades yet on this live.
Young games too.
That's right, Bob. We need to look for liquidity areas. That's why 966 looks good.
Sometimes trading is boring, Nate.
50-minute time frame is a week.
I mean, at least we get to have some good conversations on here while we wait, right?
There's a week there. They're heading for that week.
I took a trade pre-market before the live. I took it during my Instagram live.
The 945.
20 points.
For this week here, and we are matching with a 966 daily level.
What do you think, Grizzly? I'm a little hesitant to pull the trigger.
If we close above this, I'm going to try some longs above the 15-minute range. That's the only setup I have here. Don't like how much risk there is on this candle, though.
I just reduced my size if I take it to 5 micros per account. So if I'm going to copy trade 4 funded accounts, do that if I take anything on my live. I stick with 5 to 10 micros, at least until after I pull MC. So bro said 5 minis? No, not 5 minis.
I'm not sure what you mean, Noah. Supply would be a reject. Was you referring to demand, or you mean take a trade up to supply?
Okay, guys, we have a new for our level here. For 10 a.m. So we have 953.
We close that 5 minute below now.
Yeah, no trade from me.
Yeah, I gotta wait too. We might end up pumping, but doesn't fit the system.
So now we have 953. Now we have
No, I answer questions. You can answer.
966,
Ask all the questions you want. And unless I'm in a trade, then I'm not going to answer. So. There's a little bit too much. So if we was going to take a trade above this, there would have been a little bit more risk on this. It wasn't too risky, I don't guess, but if we pushed up any more, it would have been.
using a new technique.
If we closed like right at it, okay.
Just going back to candles on the daily time frame.
At minimum, I mean, worst case, you're 1-to-1,
It's working nice. So guys, again, we have 953, 966, 971. 3 levels together there.
It should show up. I mean, if they're not showing up, it has to be a setting on your chart or something, I would say. Working for everyone else.
To make any risk reward, for example, if I were to take longs here, we'd have to almost test the high of this 5 minute wick over here. Not even high day, but this swing low or lower high pre-market. Just a little too much risk for me right now.
Yeah, level is NQ guys. 19953, 19966, 19971. Just mention the last 3 digits. Make it easy.
It's just crazy how much faster Tradovate is than TradingView. The data is just coming in quicker. Price action's quicker. Just watching the chart.
To the admin trading floor, yesterday I posted an explanation of the 4-hour level, which is also I'm getting the daily levels. In the admin trading floor, I posted a chart yesterday with an explanation.
Oh, do.
If we take this entry, if this candle closes, you have to consider your risk is going to be stop below 910. So position accordingly if we take it. Have to wait on this close. don't like this candle. Either the data's not coming in right on TradingView, or we still got negative delta on this. Which I wouldn't be surprised with either.
Yeah, Brian, like I mentioned before, I have 966, 953, and 971. So 3 levels to get there.
I tried some M&Q loans, light size.
I'll try a small piece with you too, Grizzly. I want to see it. I didn't add. I was waiting for 40. Didn't want to add that.
That's my average, 940.
Yeah, I wanted to add at that 40 spot. Didn't get it. I like your idea though. I like your ones. If you some strength, you're gonna retest 62. 62, then hopefully 75.
960 would be 20-point trim if we get there.
Yeah, we touched 953.
Tried a small piece with you, Grizzly. Tried it down there.
It'll either hit our price targets or hit our stop loss, but we got confirmation there. I think the data's just coming in wrong or something. TradingView's been on one the last couple weeks.
Tried some super light sizes, 5 MNQ per account, so I'm trading on the fundings right now. I have a hard stop at 10, but I'll likely stop if we fail this 5-minute level. I'll probably stop around 9:20 or 9:15, but hard stops are in at 9:10 in case we get some death candle. It's pre-up on C, so I'm super light.
$960 would be my first trim. Or
Like 962, that's 1-to-1.
I'm so light, you know, maybe one price target, but we'll see.
Go with, we'll make it so if I trim, I can take half off. Don't do it if it closes 5-minute below. I'll like you stop out early. My hard stops are set at 9:08.
Oh. One thing about it, my coffee's getting cold.
Can't have that.
Can't have that. Trade definitely not gonna go right with cold coffee. This trade stops us out, that's why. Coffee was cold.
It's Tommy's fault. I had a tough time building up.
It's like we're
Cleared
gonna
up on C,
rip.
so could be on games. Could be on games, pre-up on C, but my hard stops are set, so I'm chilling. My biggest loss would be 30 points. That'd be maximum.
Yeah. We need to break this 953.
I didn't get a very good fill when I added down there in high 30s. I got filled at 40.
It's good average. That's minus.
But I don't love that candle either.
Just rip up, then you can do whatever you want. Price action. It should do it here. Let's see. It's got dash strength at 950 area.
It's a pre-alpha MC, so my expectations are very low. But it's worth a try for the system for sure. Most we went up was 10 points, so if it stops us out, then we'll know that the risk, followed a risk reward, and took our L with dignity. Oh no, wrong way, MNQ. Wrong way, NQ. My hard stops are set. My micro's at 909. If we close this candle below here, I'll likely stop out early because it will show that my idea was not right. But I do have hard stops in.
Alright. I'm gonna mute Team Bull while I focus here. I'm still in this trade. Just be patient, everyone. You should be position light. Should be no stress behind this trade. I can't focus when people's talking, that's why I have to mute. Everyone know where we're trimming, right? 960? Perfect place to take profits or trim. It's up to you. It wasn't the best R to R, but we're just following the system this morning. Following the system.
Yes, touch it.
960, everyone, where I'm trimming. I got
I just tell people, otherwise people whine at me. What's I done? I was up and I lost. Well, you're worried about it. If you blew your account, why didn't you trim it? You're clearly in too heavy. Jake Dunn, it's your fault.
Oh, we may come back down to entry here. Let's see. Let's focus on this. See if we need to stop out at entry if we're going to get the continuation.
Yeah, this 4 hour level is strong. 953.
I don't like how we didn't see me there, but Still gonna follow my risk plan. Took my, that guy CJG said, took my 394 profit, nice. I did not take any profit yet on this. I'm following my risk plan. Again, oh, it's small, so I'm willing to start my day red on this. Just how I started that 3-day streak.
Jesus. Oh. Move my stop up some, everyone. Taking some of the risk off this trade. I'm gonna go make me some fresh coffee. This cold coffee's not doing it.
Take a little off here. I de-risked a little bit here. There we go. Got my first trim, guys.
I trimmed everyone.
First trim secured.
Actually, I took profits there because I was so light, everyone. I don't like the price action. I'm completely out there.
First trim secured. If we go back to entry, I'll stop the rest. I'm letting the rest run. Let's go, guys. Yes. Dumpster up.
Well, I tried to tell everyone I trimmed. Or I sold. I got out just because, everyone, I don't like the price action this morning. Sold all my position at 20 points profit. Just so I'm clear. How are you feeling, YouTube? 3 winning days together, straight this week. Hopefully some of you all are reaching some payouts and stuff. Or just making a bag in your personal account. If you're losing in YouTube, like if you're red this week, what are you trading? Are you not trading with us? You just taking your own setups, or is it that you're just like mismanaging the trades? If you took this trade, caught 20 points, let's just call it. If you got the other 20 points with me, 40 total points in profit today. The one was on Instagram Live. Nice. And before we go, I'd like to say this. If you want to try funded accounts, go to grizzlytrades.com. Check out Take Profit and use code Grizzly. One of the best out right now. Helps me out some, and it's a solid firm. So that's all I ask. I may trade live tomorrow. It's my birthday tomorrow. Should we go live on YouTube? Possibly. We'll see. Michael, it's almost ready. I know I've been slacking on getting the new Grizzology video out, but the settings are pretty straightforward, everyone. If you're struggling with them, right here's mine. You can adjust your fair value gap if you like. It's pretty straightforward on the settings, though. Opening range, you can turn this to breakout confirms or retest confirms. I like retest. Pretty straightforward, though. All right, everyone. I'll see you maybe tomorrow. I'll let you all know in the morning if I'm going to go live, okay?